Hey, this is Dave Espino, and if you've been looking for a high-paying side hustle that is actually real and makes sense, something that doesn't involve the usual complicated sales funnels, expensive paid ads, or trying to sell products nobody wants, then I've got something crazy exciting for you. Today, I want to show you how to tap into a massive $700 billion industry using a simple AI loophole. We're talking about the home services industry. Think about contractors, realtors, landscapers, painters, remodelers. These people deal in big dollar projects, but they all have one major problem. It's hard to get a homeowner to see what a finished project will look like before it's done. And that's where you come in. We've developed a system called Transformer. With the Transformer system, a contractor gives you a messy before cell phone photo, and in less than a minute, you turn it into a stunning magazine quality after image. We call these property previews. For example, a painter can show a homeowner exactly what their house looks like in 3 different color schemes. A landscaper can show a family a 3D quality vision of their new backyard. A realtor can virtually stage an empty home or declutter an existing interior picture. When they can do this, they close more sales. And because you're helping them land deals that pay them anywhere from $5,000 to $100,000, guess what? They're more than happy to pay you $500, $1,000, or even $2,000 a month for something that takes just a few minutes of your time. And the best part, you don't have to be a tech genius or a graphic designer. Inside the Transformer System Guide, I'm giving you the exact blueprint, prompts, and business strategy to make all the income you want to make. And you also get my contractor gift method, which is a proven strategy for landing clients without ever having to sell the service. You basically send them a free sample of your work, call it a gift, and then the quality of the finished AI image does the selling for you. It's the easiest yes you'll ever get. You're also getting the Master Transformer Guide. This is a deep dive, step-by-step manual specifically for those who want to turn this into fast income. It walks you through exactly how to use the latest AI tools, the ones that are perfect for this, to get these amazing results every time. This works for anyone, anywhere in the world, including those who know nothing about AI generation. And there's a way I can make this even easier for you. While the 3 guides teach you how to do this manually, we've actually built a custom piece of software that automates the entire process in a powerful way. It's called the Transformer software. It handles the prompts, the lighting, and the staging for you, and across multiple different home services categories. And it does it in seconds with even less effort. So as part of this new launch, my partner Shane Nathan and I are doing something special. For the first few hundred people who grab the Transformer system today, we're giving you review access to the software. This means you get to test drive the Transformer engine for yourself. You can play with it, try it out on some local listings, or even use pictures of your own home and see for yourself just how fast you can create these masterpieces. Think about this. If you had just 5 contractors on a small monthly retainer of $500 a month, you could be looking at a nice monthly income for just a few hours of work from your couch, and then keep building from there. What I love about the Transformer system is that this is a real service for real businesses with real big budgets. So if you're ready to stop trading hours for dollars and start using the AI revolution to build a real business, be sure to grab the Transformer system below. Get your hands on the 3 guides, and the sooner you do, the sooner you can be one of the first few hundred to get that special review access to the software. It's all backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose and a very exciting, very real, high-ticket side hustle to gain. I can't wait to see the transformations you create. So click the button below and get started transforming your income.